So to make the string of tack welds, I got my machine set up. I'm running at 190 wire speed, 18 volts for my current. I'm just going to try to string together a series of tack welds, and I'm going to pick the C pattern. So I'm going to do a small little C weld, turn the machine off, let it cool, weld the C, stop welding, let it cool, weld the C, stop welding, let it cool, all the way down the whole series of welds. Let's give it a try. I want to keep a pretty close gun for a short arc. I'm almost knocking the nozzle off the sidewalls of my welds. And the finished weld feels like pretty clean as far as the welds go. Laying in there nice, good toe, good face. So keep stacking those tacks all the way down. There's your stringing of tack welds.